Hello and welcome again to Maglight, Outlook Magazine's video podcast where we give you all the goss on what to expect in our next issue. Think Rio and what comes to mind are golden beaches and unending glasses of cocktails. Shobhan Saxena, who will be Outlook's man in Rio during the greatest sporting spectacle on the planet, the Olympics, paints a different picture. Rio de Janeiro has crime and grime. Shobhan captures a city preparing for the Olympics beautifully. Also read his daily diary, view pictures, videos and more on our website outlookindia.com. The goods and services tax has been touted as India's biggest tax reform since independence. But what is GST and how will it affect us in the long and short run? Outlook's Arinder Mukherjee decodes the GST bill while answering all the questions you might have but never had the courage to ask. What do you think chewing gum, anti-aging cream, refined sugar, candles and perfume all have in common? Turns out, cows are a major component in the manufacturing of all these products. The ban on cow slaughter in most states in the past 2 years has not only resulted in hue and cry over beef, but has created a major, much bigger dent in several lives. Cow vigilantism has badly affected the livelihoods of millions dependent on the cow and its various uses. For our cover story this week, Outlook's Pragya Singh investigates how cow vigilantism has not only had a social but also a very huge economic impact and how, if it remains unchecked, it is bound to weaken the very fabric of our nation. Gujarat is usually considered ground zero for the Modi boom in the country. Yet, since 2014, BJP has suffered blow after blow in the state, first with the Patidar movement and more recently with the Dalit agitation. The final blow seemed to be the resignation of Anandiben Patel as Chief Minister of the state just a few days ago. So what will happen to the BJP in the coming elections in the state they call home ground? R.K. Mishra and Pratna Gehlot find out. Donald Trump's entry into the US presidential race has come under scrutiny for many things since his nomination, but nothing has put a dent in his success as much as the speech given by Khizr Khan, the father of the fallen American war hero Humayun Khan in the Democratic National Convention. The speech has ignited a fight between families of army veterans and Trump, bringing Hillary Clinton ahead in the race, reports Outlook's Pranay Sharma. You can read these stories and a lot more in our latest issue of Outlook. Pick up the hard copy at your nearest newsstands or go online to our website outlookindia.com. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.